Grandpa Rails here. Here's a tip for you. If you want to get some, or have some, hey, that's a margarita there. But if you want to have some mulch, go out to your backyard or front yard, find some bark that's on the ground, bring it back in the house, put it in the sifter, chop it up. Look at that. So you're really going to need just the fine stuff. But there you go. How easy is that? Now you got your own mulch. I'm going to put some of this right over there at my building supply. That's where you're going to buy mulch at. Or a garden center. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for commenting. And we will talk to you later.